Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get
Cordless Hedge trimmer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best cordless hedge trimmer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is DEWALT 20 volts cordless hedge trimmer. Its DEWALT cordless hedge trimmer delivers the power and durability you need, and it's light enough for people to handle. This device is powered by an 5.0Ah lithium-ion battery. Additionally, it features a double-sided, 22-inch blade that is able to cut branches that are up to 3/4 inch thick. It also has hooked teeth blades that are pre-hardened, which allows you to use the tool longer without having to replace the blades. Its DEWALT trimmer is small and lightweight, only weighing 7.5 pounds. It can cut up to 2,800 strokes in a minute. It features anti-vibration technology that allows it to be operated more easily, and also you can purchase the trimmer without or with the charger and battery in the event that you already have a DEWALT compatible battery to work with it. Our second best cordless hedge trimmer is Black & Decker 20 volts cordless hedge trimmer. To keep your yard looking well maintained, add this cordless hedge trimmer to your arsenal of landscaping tools. This convenient hedge trimmer features ergonomic grips and a low vibration dual action blade for supreme comfort while cutting overgrown hedges, bushes and shrubs, while performance boosting power cut mode helps you tackle those extra tough branches with ease. Easily makes quick, low vibration cuts on branches up to 3/4 inch in diameter. Power through the toughest cuts with the push of a button. Cordless hedge and shrub trimmer with powerful dual action blade cuts 2x more branches at one time. The ergonomic grips and low vibration help you go the distance in comfort. Power cut allows you to cut through a jam with the push of a button. A powerful 20 volts max lithium-ion battery delivers power and run time for most trimming jobs. It features a 22 inches dual action blade to ensure less vibration while trimming. This unit quickly cuts branches up to 3/4 in diameter. Part of the 20 volts max system. One system. Endless tasks. Power for your style. Maximum initial battery voltage is 20 volts. Nominal voltage is 18. This unit is packaged with frustration-free packaging. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Ego Power 56 volt cordless hedge trimmer. The majority of hedge trimmers come with an 20 or 22 inch blade. However, if have bigger hedges you can use it as the Ego Power Plus hedge trimmer's 24 inch dual action blade can help you to complete the task faster. This trimmer has a 1 inch cut capacity, and 3,000 strokes per minute, and its steel blades that are hardened provide clean sharp cuts. This trimmer features high efficiency brushless motors which increases the duration of its charge. It also has an electronic brake that stops the blade's action rapidly. The blades themselves are accessible for maintenance, making it simpler to sharpen them. While it is a powerful tool, it weighs only 6 pounds. Advanced battery technology delivers or exceeds the power of gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. Recommend the Ego 56 volts 2.5Ah ARC lithium battery for hedge trimmer. Advanced battery technology delivers or exceeds the power of gas without the noise, fuss and fumes. Revolutionary battery technology for premium battery performance. Rugged construction keeps your tool safe under more conditions. For details, let's watch more. Number 4 in our side is Sunjoe Lithium-Ion Handheld Trimmer. Sunjoe's HJ604C 2-in-1 shear hedger comes with a 7.2 volts long-lasting lithium-ion battery to provide effortless and cordless operation. It can be powered up immediately with the touch of a button, and you can begin shredding or scrubbing in the convenience of a cordless battery power that recharges ensures that hedger Joe eco-friendly and maintenance-free and allows you to finish the job without the hassle of gasoline, oil, costly periodic tune-ups, or hazardous hydrocarbon emissions. Making two different tools one nifty tool, Sunjoe features an interchangeable blade system that quickly can be converted into a lawn shear hedge trimmer. The 4-inch grass shear blade and the 6-inch hedge trimmer blades are constructed from durable steel that will last for a long time and provide high-quality performance. At just 2.5 pounds, the Sunjoe is simple to use and control, which means you can complete a range of grooming tasks in greater ease and less stress. Additionally, it has an emergency stop button to avoid accidental start. For details, let's watch more. Last in our best cordless hedge trimmer list is CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. CRAFTSMAN V20 comes with a 22-inch hedge trimmer, features a 20 volts motor for powerful performance. The hedge trimmer is fueled by a high-performance 2.0 lithium-ion battery, providing long runtime and compatibility across other V20 CRAFTSMAN tools. The hedge trimmer features a 22-inch laser cut blade, with dual action with a full bale handle that allows for maximum maneuverability within 3/8-inch blade gap to allow you to quickly cut branches, and a power saw feature that allows you to cut branches up to 1.5 inch thick. A large blade gap allows you to swiftly cut branches, and maximum maneuverability. For details, let's watch more.